In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Google Workspace by phone. First, let me take a moment to appreciate Google Workspace for streamlining our work with its comprehensive suite of services. But there comes a time when you might need direct support from Google to tackle an issue, and that's exactly what we'll be covering today. How to get in touch with Google Workspace support over the phone. Start off by navigating to the Google Workspace homepage. This is where everything begins. From here, you'll need to identify yourself, choose the Google account you use for Google Workspace. This is crucial because it tells Google who you are and which workspace needs attention. After selecting your account, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Go ahead and type it in. Keeping your account secure while providing access to the right set of tools and services is what this step is all about. Click Next once your password is in. This will take you closer to finding the help you need. Now, this next step is a fun one, albeit a bit like finding the doorway to Narnia. You're looking for the square dots icon, also known as the waffle icon, located at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this reveals a drop menu full of various Google apps and services. What you want is the admin console. It's your gateway to managing your Google Workspace and, more importantly for our goal today, accessing support. Inside the admin console, you'll notice a lot of options, but keep your eyes peeled for a question mark icon towards the top right. Clicking on this is like raising your hand in a virtual classroom. It signals that you need some help. A search bar will appear, and in it you want to type, I need to talk to an agent. It's a straightforward request that lets Google know you're looking for personalized assistance. Your screen will then display a Read More option. This is Google's way of providing you with additional information while also guiding you towards getting the help you need. Click on it. Following this path will take you to a section specifically tailored for getting in touch with Google's support team. You'll find a link at the bottom that directs you to Google Cloud Support. This might seem like a small detour, but remember Google Workspace is part of the broader Google Cloud ecosystem. Now, this part is key for those who prefer talking over typing. Look for the Android device support section. Yes, we're talking about phone support, but this is where Google lists its contact numbers. Finally, here we are, the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. You'll see a US toll-free number, 1-877-355-5787. This is your direct line to Google Workspace phone support. Pick up your phone, dial in, and you'll be connected with someone from Google who can assist you further with your queries or issues. A few tips before you make that call: have your account details handy, be clear about the issue you're facing, and if possible, try to call during off-peak hours to avoid long wait times. Reaching out to Google Workspace by phone might seem like a journey, but it's a straightforward one when you know the route. Every step is designed to ensure that you get the precise help you need. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to contacting Google Workspace support over the phone. Whether it's a technical glitch, account issue, or just a question that you can't find the answer to online, knowing how to reach out directly can save the day.